In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your chat history in Grok AI. This is a simple process, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can access your past conversations with ease. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your internet browser and heading over to grok.com. It's important to remember to have your login credentials ready. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your username and password to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your home dashboard. Now, scan your screen for a sidebar or menu typically located on the left-hand side. It might be collapsed when you first open it, so don't hesitate to look for any icons that might suggest a menu or sidebar option. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click. This will reveal various options related to your account. From the options available, look for the one labeled History. This is where all your past chats are stored. When you click on History, you should see a list of your previous conversations appear. This is your chat archive, providing you an overview of all the interactions you've had on Grok AI. If you're looking to revisit a specific chat, it's really straightforward. In your history list, click on any conversation that piques your interest or is relevant to what you're looking for. Once selected, the full chat thread will open up for you to read. This is especially useful for revisiting important details or following up on ongoing conversations. Remember, navigating through your past chats can be a time saver, particularly if you need to recall specific information or track the progress of an interaction you've had. This feature ensures you won't lose track of important exchanges, allowing for better organization and management of your dialogues. That's all there is to it for accessing your chat history in Grok AI. It's a handy tool to keep your conversations organized and accessible whenever you need to return to them. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you now feel more confident finding your way around the chat history in Grok AI. If you have any further questions or need a deeper dive into the platform's features, feel free to explore additional resources or contact support for assistance. Thank you for joining me today, and happy chatting.